Okay folks, just finished recording an attempt at a sunrise, and I was just processing the video inside the tent, and we heard a weird noise out here, and I wondered what was going on. You know that I've struggled with rodents, mice and rats, and so we've got mouse traps and rat traps. And the other day I haven't got this far with Trampcast yet, but the other day I was invaded by the little buggers. So I brought a trap outside of the tent and out, you know, in the camp, because that's where the rats were, chasing after them, trying to get into my dog food. So I put a trap out, a rat trap, and through the day I moved it out of the way so that the dog wasn't walking through it. And I put it up on a shelf next to the barbecue. And then this morning just heard a noise. Now I struggle with taking the life of mice and rats, but we just had an accident. Let me show you. Viewer discretion, folks, viewer discretion. If this isn't for you, then look away now. What we got, folks, what we got. Unfortunately, a dickie bird has come and had a go at the trap, and unfortunately the poor fella is now deceased. I've taken the life of a bird, and I didn't mean to. Oh fuck. I'm sorry, birdie. I'm sorry. And my doggy, look, my doggy's interested. Tina, no. Tina, no. That's not happening, darling. Come here. No, no, no. So, I don't know, folks. We've taken a life that I didn't intend to take. Not good. Not good at all. I shouldn't have left the trap around armed. Sorry, dickie bird. So sorry. Okay, folks. That's it for now. Bye. Join me on Sundays for Trampcast. It's the weekly look at the successes, the failures, the happenings in my life as a tramp, a homeless guy, a hobo, living in Torrevieja in Spain. It's at 5 o'clock Spanish time, Central European time. It's at 4 p.m. GMT, UK time. And 10 a.m. US Central time. Love to see you there, folks. Okay. Delta Mike, out.